Hey everyone, today we have Rohn from Pakketje. We're going straight into action. First thing first is, before you start Pakketje, what you've been doing and what made you come to the thought like, yeah, I want to start this?
Yeah, so before Pakketje, I started a web shop called first Joy and later on Jimmy Joy in Amsterdam. I actually joined the web shop, was started by my partner Joey. He launched from his bedroom, and in 4 years' time we grew from the bedroom to over 86 countries. We made powdered foods, like liquid meals. You mix it with water and you drink your meal. Really easy to use. We grew really fast, but one thing that we encountered was that, especially shipping, and even in the Netherlands, a small country that's really well organized, shipping wasn't actually that easy. And parcels got lost, for instance, and then you didn't even get a refund, which I thought was crazy. Why did you get a refund? We pay you to bring something from A to B. If you lose it, it's your problem. However, that was not the case, so I got angry and I took our own parcels from Amsterdam, and I stepped in the car and I started delivering them. And that is actually how we started with Pakketje, and it automatically was same-day delivery. So yeah, we grew from there. We could have never reached this size in just 4 years without the help of a lot of people.
Why did you choose the whole entrepreneurship path?
So the first company I was together with my brother Kai, also a partner in Pakketje, and it was coffee catering. But we wanted to build something of our own, whether it was big or small, just as long as it was ours. And we wanted to do something that actually contributes something to the world in as many ways as possible. And it was in 2011, so just a few years after the 2008 financial crisis. But we did coffee because, I like coffee, and Kai liked coffee, and coffee was like the first products that were like fair trade, and we were very young. I was 18 and my brother was 16. He was the youngest entrepreneur here in the area, and just wanted to do something that we enjoyed.
And how do you balance your life in all cases?
No. I'm also a father of a son of 3 years, and I have a girlfriend or a fiance even. It's not always easy to balance, especially for 1.5 years I was running both Jimmy Joy as CEO and Pakketje as CEO, and they were growing fast on both sides, one in Utrecht, one in Amsterdam, so it wasn't even the same city. That was intense. Drove a lot of miles, a few kilometers. But it was intense, but I actually got a burnout even at age 25, so it was a bit young for a burnout. But I think it also made me look better at how I was working, because you don't always have to work that hard as long as you work smart. I do work hard, but I also try to work smart, so I don't have to work day and night.
What's like the quote you live your life by?
Quote I live my life by, actually I just want to go. It's like I hate it when people keep on trying to look ahead and seeing all of the problems or all the possible outcomes. I just want to start, and then we'll see where things end. So it's like not per se a quote, but it's really easy. Just go. Don't be scared.
Would that be then the advice to the people who do the same thing as you do?
I would absolutely say just start, because the most companies fail in the heads of the people that are actually trying to start something. They kill their ideas even before starting. I think once you start a company, you'll notice that it's actually not that hard to start a company. The hardest part is when finally you're starting to grow, and you see, of course, you're gonna meet all different types of people and all different types of problems, but you at least have help, and you're out there and you're working on it, and you're doing something you love, and that's way better than not starting at all.
That's great. Yeah, thanks a lot.
You too.